Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What's your choice, Lisa or Lena? Let's begin. Today we have something super fun. It's the Lisa vs Lena Purple Edition. In this video we are comparing some amazing things in purple inspired by the iconic twins. Lisa and Lena, do you like Lisa's style more or Lena's? Let's find out. We will show you our different outfits, accessories and trending ideas. So watch until the end and tell us which one you like more, Lisa or Lena. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Like this, let's go. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.